Welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel. I'm the founder of Tiny Rig, and today we're just doing a fun little side-by-side comparison of this ridiculous truck and this truck that isn't that ridiculous, but is built really well. And seeing the two of them together is just crazy. So I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. This is my 2025 TRD off-road non-hybrid Tacoma. This has Total Chaos's first long travel kit on it for the 4th gen. Prototype vehicle, you see it's all dusty. We just took it out to the desert, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago or so, and did some R&D. Just beat the absolute shit out of this one and Total Chaos's to dial in suspension tuning and do some testing. The rear still needs work, but this is a truck that if I park next to Noah's 4th gen, which is on like 34s, makes it look tiny. And then this truck makes this truck look ridiculous. And I've got a 3rd gen, 3.5-inch Total Chaos long travel kit on 35s as well, with the big camper and fiberglass on it. And this truck parked next to it, it makes it look absurdly small. This truck's really fun. So just stuff to like look at, guys. 17-inch wheel, 17-inch wheel. Look how small this wheel looks on this truck, right? And the way that this is all possible is we've got rough country fenders, paint matched, which look really damn good, honestly. Obviously there's a ton of cutting over here, and then 40-inch ridiculous tires on it. Sorry, 40, was it 41s? Yeah, 41s, because 40s isn't big enough. Rad little valve stem cover. But this truck is on 74 weld portals, and that's going to be something that we are going to be doing at Tiny Rig. So I thought it'd be fun to cover it, show you guys. But this is kind of just like a comparison thing, right? So in my eyes, like drivability, right? How do they both drive? So this truck drives awesome. Everyone who's driven this truck says it drives incredible. It's got a +3 kit on it, so 3 inches wider per side. King 3.0 IBP shocks, so very expensive shock setup on it. And essentially lower control arm, right, becomes wider, upper control arm becomes wider, and you can get a good amount of lift out of it. Good travel numbers, right? So if you're going fast, bombing through the desert, and that's your thing, then this is an epic setup. And it's made by a company that's been around forever, specializing in Toyota stuff. I have, like I said, on that other truck of mine that I've abused and beaten up over the years, and I really love it, right? So the chance I had to kind of use this as a prototype vehicle, I went all in on it. But Graham from GFC, who owns this vehicle, stored this at the shop and dropped it off at my house before Overland Expo, which is this week. And so I had a chance to drive it from my house to the shop here. And I sent him a text and I said, there's no way this truck should drive this fucking good. It is nuts. So I think a huge part of it, right, is it's got Fox suspension on it, but it's modest Fox suspension. It's nothing crazy. I think the 41-inch tire, adding that much tire, is just making this thing drive incredible. Now, where I would expect this truck to really struggle is drivability, right? It's not re-geared. And that's not an issue. It drives freaking awesome, right? And that's because it's got the gear reduction in the portals, but I also just think these new Tacomas are pretty rad. And then steering. I was expecting the steering to feel rough, super heavy, right? Unresponsive. And it feels really freaking good. Like this drives like a stock truck. It's kind of wild. I think if you blindfolded someone and put them in a stock Tacoma, put them in the passenger seat, had them do the same thing on this one, they would probably tell you this truck drives nicer. Now, obviously they can't feel the steering wheel, but it's absolutely insane. And I want one. Like I really, honestly want one. So, yeah, hopefully you guys found that entertaining. We're going to be doing more stuff with 74 weld. We've actually got a call with a customer today that wants us to do a huge Alu-Cab build with portals on it. We're going to be doing 74 weld. This truck, we're going to do a full walk around on it. So if you want more details on this truck where we dive into a bit more specifics about it, subscribe to the channel, take a look at that. And if you want us to build a truck for you like this, or like that, or like that, or that, or that. We build a lot of trucks, guys. We do really, really good quality work with an attention to detail that you will not find anywhere else. And I promise you guys that. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.